The night is silent without your voice. My steps are lost, I've got no choice. Your shadow lingers in my weary eyes, but you've gone, left me with goodbyes. When you're gone, the world feels empty. Your warm smile now just a memory. I try to stand, though the pain won't fade. My life has changed since you slipped away. Your memories live deep inside my heart, unreplaced though the years